Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Vechain price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey this micro Elliot wave count right here in white, where we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now fully maximized the minimum retracement area highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.02667 mark. And to get the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, I used the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, and that gave me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is a target area that you have now fully maximized. And I said to you in my previous videos that it is within this blue target area that we can now hit invalidation of this micro Elliot wave count, and that can only happen the moment we lose the fib level 0.78. And at the time of this recording, you can now see that we have lost the fib level 0.78 and we are now holding above the fib level 0.88, and there are high chances that in case further breakdown continues, we are also going to lose that area on the Fibonacci's. And because we have now hit invalidation of this Elliot wave structure, we now need to resort to the alternative scenario that I also gave you in my previous videos, where I said to you that in case we lose our blue target area and lose significant areas on the Fibonacci's, then the alternative scenario would be what we have been expecting on the long-term scenarios, where you can see that we peaked in the formation of these 5-wave structure to the upside in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.032 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upside. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 2 in a move that bottomed out within this blue target area. And since we have now hit invalidation of these micro Elliot wave count, which was a micro Elliot wave count within the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3, then that would suggest that whatever we are seeing over here is a reset of these higher Elliot wave count 2. And in case the breakdown continues, there are high chances that we are going to see a move back into this blue target area and maybe fully maximize that blue target area and even give us one more new low below the low that we made at around the $0.01942 mark on the 23rd of March. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Vechain chart. And in case such a reset plays out, then from there we can start expecting higher prices in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3. And then from there we can start counting our micro Elliot wave count to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios here on the Vechain chart. And those are my breakdown targets. So in case the breakdown continues, we need to keep our eyes on the low that we made at around the $0.01951 mark, because there are high chances that we are going to see a reset of that low before we can expect higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 26 mark, meaning we have managed to get into the oversold region. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross suggesting lower prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.